Hello class. This video is going to focus on 1.2 points, lines, and planes. The goal of this video is I can identify intersections of lines and planes. And you need to open your textbook to page 13 and copy down these notes. The intersection of two or more geometric figures is the set of points they have in common. Two lines intersect in a point. Lines can intersect planes, and planes can intersect each other. So we're going to go through example 4. So referring to the figure, how many planes appear in this figure? So in all, we've got this rectangular plane. So the rectangular plane is one. And then we've got this prism. So this prism has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 faces. If you count all the way around, there's 5 faces. So those are 5 different planes plus this rectangular plane. So that's 6 altogether. Okay, so we've got plane P, which is this rectangular plane. It's named with this P. Plane CAG. So CAG is that plane in the back there. Plane GFE. Erase that. Okay, so plane GFA. So GFA. And then we have the planes, let's see, FAE. So FAE. And again, it doesn't matter which order you put the letters in. We have plane ADE. And we have plane ACD. Okay, and B, we want to name 4 points that are collinear. Remember, collinear means they're on the same line. So here's a line, and there are 4 points on it. We've got H, we've got I, we've got C, and we've got F. So C and F will fill in the blanks. And those are collinear. In C, we want to name the intersection of plane GAC and plane P. So remember, plane P is this rectangular plane. And then plane GAC, so GAC right here. And they intersect in this line right here. And that is line CG. And we're going to put the line over it, the line symbol. I'm going to erase that. Okay, D. At what point do line JI, so JI is right here. At what point do JI and DC, which is right here, intersect? And as you can see, these are not in the same plane. And if they're not in the same plane, then they can't intersect. So it does not appear that these lines intersect. Line DC lies in plane P, but only point I of line JI lies in plane P. So only point I. So these two lines will never intersect. Okay, here's one for you to try. Refer to the figure, name 3 points that are collinear. So try it on your own, pause the video, and then when you are ready to check your answers, you can start the video again. And here are the answers. So the 3 collinear points are D, A, and B. Okay, this is example 5. So we have a biplane has 2 main wings that are stacked one above the other. Struts connect the wings and are used for support. Flying wires run diagonally from the main body of the plane to the wings and between the stacked wings. So complete the statements regarding the geometric terms modeled by the biplane. So each wing models a plane. So each wing is an example of a plane. The intersection of a strut and a wing. So here's a strut and then here's a wing. So the intersection of those two is going to be a point. And then the crossing of two flying wires. So here's our flying wires right here. And when they cross, they intersect in a point. So it models a point. And that is the end of 1.1b. Remember, you need to get at least a 75% on the quiz for this video in order to move on.